Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best roasting pans that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Roasting Pans. It comes to celebrate the party or do some special events, food is an important thing needed considering. No matter what type of food you want to make, bake, broil, grill, it won't be a problem whatsoever on account of the arrival of roasting pan. Consequently, people in this 21st century dwelling in this contemporary society are competent to cook on their own. Number 5. Cuisinart Ovenware Classic Collection 17 by 12 inch Roaster. Completely non-stick rack and cooking surface for lasting food release and convenient cleanup. Fats and oils to drain away easily. Main features. Heavy steel construction allows. Wide and flexible handles. Removable rack allows. Number 4. Range Clean Broiler Pans for Ovens BP102X2PC Black. The high heat often used in the broiling process traps juices, and can give meats and other foods a bit of added crispness, similar to that of the grilling process. Main features. Perfect sized broiler pan. Safe up to 1025F. Made in the USA. Number 3. Chicago Metallic Professional Roast Pan with Non-Stick Rack. That's why we've been crafting innovative equipment for professionals and serious home bakers. We built the global reputation One Kitchen. Main features. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel. Heat safe up to 450 degrees. Dishwasher safe. Number 2. Granite Ware 18-inch Covered Oval Roaster. The naturally non-stick surface is highly durable, even allowing use your metal utensils during cooking. The dark surface absorbs the oven's energy, lowering cooking times. Main features. Carbon steel construction and porcelain. Made in the USA. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Classic Stainless 16-inch Rectangular Roaster. The roaster comes with a limited lifetime warranty. An essential piece of cookware for family dinners, parties, and holiday celebrations. Chickens. Main features. Solid stainless steel rack. Dishwasher safe. Stainless handles. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.